Hello, my name is Kate Swan, and I'm interviewing one of our favorite math teachers at Valor, Mrs. Mathis. Mrs. Mathis, how do you imagine students flourishing in these classrooms?
Thank you, Kate. I am so excited about this space. It is just so big compared to what we've had at Valor right now. In my classroom, I have rows of tables, and it is so difficult to get students out of their desks because everybody is super cramped and all the tables are like right next to each other. And so so I'm excited to have whiteboards all over these walls and to have students working in groups. I think it's a really good way to learn math and for them to be on their feet so that they're not stuck in a desk all the time, and just to be able to walk around the room and not tripping over each other. And so I'm just really excited about the possibilities of what we have here.